If you invested $10,000 in Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway in 1965, you'd had over $300 million today. Here's a wild stat. Over 70% of professional traders rely on technical analysis to make decisions. If it's good enough for them, it's good enough for us. Hey there, future achievers. Welcome to the crew. I'm Sandesh, your go-to guide for all things productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. If you're ready to take charge of your life, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon, because today we are diving head start into the stock market. I know we are not here to play the lottery or play for luck. We are here to get smart, real smart, with the 5 must-read books that will transform you from a clueless newbie to a stock market wizard. Ready? Let's roll. First up, we have got the OG of investing books, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. With over 1 million copies sold, this book has been making investors smarter since 1949. If Warren Buffett says this book changed his life, you better believe it worth your time. Now, this book is all about value investing. Think of it like a grocery shopping. Do you buy the overpriced organic kale just because it's trending? No, you'll hunt for deals and get quality spinach at half the price. That's exactly what Graham teaches you to do with stocks. If you invested $10,000 in Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway in 1965, you'd had over $300 million today. Pick this up if you want to build wealth without falling for TikTok's get-rich-quick schemes. Seriously, you'll thank me later. Next, we have got Matthew Kratter's A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market. With over 300,000 copies sold, it's one of the top-rated beginner guides on Amazon. Kratter explains how to buy and sell stocks, avoid rookie mistakes, and understand the market without sounding like a boring finance professor. It's perfect for anyone who's even thought what the heck is a stock anyway. Let me break it down. Stocks are just tiny pieces of company you can own. Kind of like owning a size of pizza. Expect this pizza can make you rich. If you're just starting out and need the ABCs of investing, this is your book. And hey, don't forget to like this video if you're finding these recommendations helpful so far. Third on the list is Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. This classic has sold over 500,000 copies and remains a go-to for growth investors worldwide. Fisher was all about finding those companies with massive growth potential, the Teslas and Apples of the world, before even they became cool. Picture this. You're scouting for the next big thing, like finding a tiny coffee shop with the best espresso in town. Before you know it, it's the next Starbucks. Fisher's book teaches you to spot these gems using his famous 15-point checklist. In 1955, Fisher told investors to keep an eye on Motorola. Today, Motorola is part of Google's Android legacy. Talk about vision. Okay, now we are getting into the fun stuff. Market Wizards by Jack T. Schwager. This book has sold over 500,000 copies worldwide and is a must-read for anyone who dreams of trading like a pro. This one is like eavesdropping on billionaires as they spill their best-kept secrets. It's packed with interviews from legendary traders like Paul Tudor Jones, who turned 1.5 million into $300 million in just 5 years. These guys didn't just beat the market, they crushed it like a watermelon at a Galbos show. These stories are a mix of success, failure, and lessons you won't find in any textbook. My favorite, one trader said losing money is part of the process. If you can't handle it, get out of the game. Harsh, but true. And finally, we have Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy with over 300,000 copies sold. Technical analysis is all about reading charts and spotting patterns. Imagine predicting the weather by observing clouds and winds. That's what you're doing here, but with stocks. Here's a wild stat. Over 70% of professional traders rely on technical analysis to make decisions. If it's good enough for them, it's good enough for us. And trust me, this book will make you feel like Sherlock Holmes solving the mystery of market movements. If you love connecting dots and cracking codes, this book is your jam. And hey, hit that subscribe button if you want more videos breaking down complex topics like this into fun bite-sized topics. So there you have it, folks. 5 books that will make you smarter, richer, and way more confident about diving into the stock market. Remember, trading isn't about luck, it's about learning strategy and a whole lot of patience. So which of these books are you grabbing first? Drop it in the comments and let's start a conversation. And before you go, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who need a financial glow up. and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Until next time, keep hustling, stay curious, and peace out.